Hey, Northern Chris here. I'm going to be putting the soffit up on the outhouse. Hopefully putting the bead, corner bead, J bead, and start siding this thing before winter comes. I do my soffit a little bit different than most people. Instead of cutting into strips and doing it that way, I just typically take the full sheet and put it right up there. It's a lot faster. Is it the right way? I don't know. Is it the fastest way? Definitely. So hope you enjoy this video. There you have it. The front soffit is installed much quicker than any other way. Might not be perfect, but keep the bugs out, animals out. Trim 2 inches off the back, all the way across. Make sure this fits. So the back is done. These little low spots, once I put the J trim up, I'll make it level. But that's the quick and easy way to do soffit. Sure, it's not the right way, but works just the same. Airflow's still going. Alright, so now it's time to put the fascia on before I side it. This should be fun. Alright, so that top fascia board is on. Not great here, unfortunately, just because that drip edge. But it'll work. Soffit is in. This side worked out well. In the front. One step closer. All right, so now it's time to trim around the windows. painted these at home. Touch up should fix everything.